Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recall email in IONOS webmail. Now I'm logged into my IONOS webmail dashboard and let's click on a new email. Now, I want you to be fast with what I'm about to show you, otherwise this will not work. So you enter the email of the person you're sending to. Let's add a subject, recall email, and you can add any, subject. Let's do test. Now, here, once you click on send, this is what I want you to do. I want you to be fast with this. Otherwise, it will go through. You cannot recall it. Now, as soon as you send it, click on undo, right? It will be saved to your drafts. Otherwise, once it is sent completely, there's no way for you to recall this email. They give you a few seconds, but once it is sent completely, there's no way for you to recall whatever has been sent already. So you need to be fast once you're sending it. But that is how to recall email in IONOS webmail.